in the city. We've got a lot of packages, of course. We've made it back. I'm feeling so tired, like unwell tired. And there's a lot to do today. I have a meeting in an hour and then 3 events, like all back to back. So that should be interesting, and it's freaking cold, like really cold. Okay, let's start off with this big guy. I already know it's my snow boots. I also have another pair of snow boots on the way. It's like annoying that things come in a huge box when they don't need to. But anyways, they're from the brand Inuiki, which I found from Matilda Jerf last year. And I ordered a pair of snow boots. I actually just brought them back too. They're so cute. And so I wanted another pair. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these. Ooh, they might be kind of big. I don't think this is the right size. I need to try them on. But like, I'm freaking out. These are so cute. Matilda has them in like blue shearling with blue laces. They go out of stock pretty quickly, I guess because they're like super popular. So these ones are not in stock anymore, and I'm really hoping that these are not too big, but they like, from the looks of them, they don't look like my size. I'm scared. This is, maybe I shouldn't show my address. I feel like I'm very not careful on the internet, and I probably should be. This is PR. It's funny because I actually showed the vlog some things I got from this brand at that like press event at that showroom. This is part of their showroom, and then like suddenly the same day they emailed me, or I guess they had emailed me like prior to send me PR, and I realized it was the same people. So we've got this little kit of facial cleansing stick. Interesting. Moisturizing facial jelly and a jade roller, and then a bunch more things: blotting paper, sanitizer, a deodorant, protective face mist, a serum, and another hand sanitizer. This one's another PR from In Beauty. This package is really cute, kind of looks like Sephora. Oh, maybe that's why it looks like Sephora, because it says In is now in Sephora near you. I don't know that I signed up for this PR. If you guys don't know, I never knew this when like I wasn't doing social media, is that you don't just like randomly receive PR most of the time. Like usually they ask you for your address and if you want it. I kind of know like at least what brands I'm getting, and I have no idea about this. I'm actually thinking that this is a lost PR package that I was supposed to get like a long time ago, because I think I got this exact same thing like a month ago or something. Okay, anyways, now I have doubles of all of these, and I'll give them to my fam. Next, I think there's something from Amazon. Yeah. Okay, I've been wanting this dress for so long, like since Fashion Week, and I'm doing a collab or like a sponsored TikTok with Amazon for December. The theme is like promoting their like higher end stuff, so like stuff that is with Shopbop, because if you didn't know, Amazon owns Shopbop, so they have all the same stock. And I picked this Alice and Olivia dress, and it has the trim on the bottom too. I saw a few people wearing this, and like it's so cute, so I'm really excited to have this. Maybe I'll wear it today. I feel like this could be cute, like even over this maybe. Let's try it on. And then this last thing is a shoe rack that you put over your door, because I have absolutely not one singular spot left for shoes, and the shoes keep coming in. So I will set that up with you guys later, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But anyways, I need to get ready because then I have my meeting, and then right after the meeting I need to go to the first event. So I'll get ready. I'll show you what I end up picking out as my outfit. I'm definitely gonna try that dress on for maybe today, or like one of the ones later tonight. I'll definitely do an outfit change for the event tonight. Okay, here's what I think I'm gonna wear. It's kind of annoying because it's like too long on me, so I keep having to tuck it in underneath this like lace right here. I think I like it, but the problem is that I don't have tights. I do have tights, but I don't have any plain ones. I don't know what happened to them, and I feel like if I don't wear tights, I'll be making a big mistake. Okay guys, quick like is my Uber is here, but I found tights. I went on a wild goose chase for tights, and this is the final outfit. I put these earrings in this matching bag. I kept the turtleneck and then black booties. And now I have to run to the Uber because we're late. Okay, bye. We've reached Bridget. She's deciding which of the 2 jackets to wear. But we're at the place. It's apparently a really nice hotel. It's like members only and there's only 20 rooms.
The collection is kind of like revisiting that. Having geometry in terms of like kaleidoscope.
Take a photo.
So it's opening yesterday, just booked.
Ready for my
I'm so ready, and we'll all fit together.
You know, we have in several colors.
Hi. The event is over, obviously. Oh my god, the lighting though. We're trying to get a photo between the other one because it doesn't start till 3. We have a little bit of time. So we're at the St. Regis Hotel. Just did some photos. Oh my gosh, it's like really glistening on camera on this cute stairwell. We are struggling a little bit, but we always struggle. There's never a day we don't struggle. I told Bridget that she should take a photo with this guy. Oh my god, stop. There we go.
I was sorry to meet you.
It was mean. I think you'd make a cute couple. Go stand in front of him. Guys, we're at the second event. It's for Westman Atelier makeup. I'll show you guys around a little, but we're kind of early. Probably get a drink. They're engraving little compacts for us. And then the owner of the brand is gonna do a little talk for us. And then they're doing makeup touch-ups over there. The event just ended. We got some makeup done.
There's drama.
It was a little bit drama.
It was just like a little long.
Yeah.
I don't think like I need to. Never mind. I'm just gonna be nice.
It was a little bit long, but the like drama thing was like at the end. She like gave us this list of all this stuff and was like, oh, I'll go get them from the back. And then she was like, okay, let's check out. And we were like, check out? Like, what? We didn't know we were buying anything. And it would have been like $1,000 worth of makeup, I think. Like, honestly, a lot. So we had to like awkwardly be like, wait, we didn't know that we were buying this. We didn't like, not even that we were asking for it for free. Like, we're very fine with not having it. We didn't ask for it. She just like put them in a bag and brought us to check out and we were like, wait a moment. Anywho, it's over. And now we're going home and I'm gonna change my outfit. We're going to 2 different things now. Bridget's going to a dinner party and then I'm going to the Edition Hotel is unveiling their like Christmas decorations, I think. I don't really know, but we'll see. Should be cute. I'll show you my outfit when I change. I have like approximately 20 minutes to change. Okay, we changed quickly. Here's what I ended up with. This dress. I think I talked about this earlier, but I have to shoot this dress. So I had to center the outfit around it, but it's really hard because it's like kind of summery. I remembered I have these white Gucci tights. So I did that. And then I put on white heels, my white bag. I feel like I am a runaway bride or something. And I need to leave. I had a solid 20-minute break in between. Guys, the event is over and I didn't film. I forgot. But it was fun. We just had like drinks and we took cute photos, which you'll see on my Instagram soon. And now we're doing sushi with the gals. Everybody say hello. I can't believe I didn't vlog. This is the hard thing about doing daily Vlogmas is that like you just forget sometimes. Thank you. Guys, look at this spread that's going on here. Uh-oh. We lost one.
Yeah, it's down.
And everybody's phones. The phones eat first, obviously. But for me, the vlog eats first. I'm home. Can you believe it? I have been out since 7 a.m. pretty much. Like, I have been very go today. I'm so excited to be on my bed. The problem is, I don't know how to get this dress off because I can't really reach the zipper and my roommate's not here. So, I'm gonna need to figure that out. And then my room is a freaking disaster. I need to clean that. Anyways, good night, guys. I don't know what day of Vlogmas this is, but hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.